This is specs in my hand. If I sprinkle some water on it, can it be converted into the gold? Right? Let me tell you the story. To know about the magical potion. Right? Actually, there was a man who lived in a house with his wife, whose father got died because of a disease, leaving behind a land, an enormous land. But the man was so explicit with an idea of the magical potion, and according to him, that magical potion exists, and he was duped many times by saying that he will be helped for getting that potion, and he spent money for that like anything. His wife was so alarmed that his husband will disavow all the property soon and will be a pauper. Once there was a sage visited their place, and that man obliterated his desire of getting that magical potion and became his pupil right there. Sage told him that he knows the way of getting that magical potion, but the process is so strenuous. Still, that man agreed to do things accordingly. He was told by the sage that he would have to collect 5 liters of water from the dews that will be attained by planting the banana tree on his own land. And for that, he will have to plant more and more banana trees. He did the same. And after the heavy endeavor of 6 years, he was finally succeeding in collecting that water that was to be chanted by the sage into a magical potion that will be sprinkled onto the things, and the things will get converted into gold. He runs to the sage with that water. Sage took that water, chanted something onto it, and gave it back to him, and he went back to his home. The man was so happy. He took that water, went to the house, sprinkled that water onto the copper vessel, and started waiting. Okay, it will get converted into the gold. But it doesn't happen. Because it was nothing. That was not a magical potion that can convert anything into a gold. Right? So, the moment he commenced complaining about it after reaching to the sage called his wife, who came with a box where she had kept the abundance of gold coins that was earned by selling the banana crops in 6 years. There were the piles and piles of gold coins in that box. It was the extreme ownership of his and his wife's hard work, and not the magical potion that can generate the revenue and that brought the massive results for him. So nothing happens itself. We may not have the desire of getting that magical potion, but we may have or had the kind of thought that something substantial would happen itself and would change our life, would make us wealthy, but it won't. And this thought has been eradicated as we had enrolled the communication mastery, thanks to Rahul Bhatnagar sir, who has forfeited the negativity and planted the positivity everywhere. So start taking the extreme ownership of your work, and you will be able to become the owner of the massive results on your way. Thank you so much. Jyoti Srivastava this side.